kitchen. I'm Mr. Noodle, here to help you make noodles. Please cook with the help of your parents and be safe. Select the noodle you would like to eat. Shrimp noodles. Let's start cooking the noodles. Turn the stove on by tapping the knob. Place the saucepan onto the burning stove. Lift the lid of the saucepan to remove it. Pour the jug of water into the saucepan. Open the packet of noodles. Put the brick of noodles into the boiling water to cook. Put the seasoning into the boiling noodles. Stir the boiling noodles and seasoning in the saucepan to mix everything. The noodles are fully cooked. Turn the stove off by tapping the knob. Pour the noodles out of the saucepan and into the bowl. Let's decorate this bowl of noodles with toppings. Shrimp, fish cake, boiled egg, fried egg, nori sheets, sesame leaves, bell peppers, chives, ham. The noodle bowl is complete, and it looks delicious. Tap the chopsticks to eat.